I'm going to show you how to get the Open Attribute Table command back onto the right-click context menu. So I see here if I right-click on the layer Land Use, I see that I do not have I have an open table showing selected features, but I do not have my Open Attribute Table command anymore. So to restore that command, what you need to do is go to the Customize menu on the top and Customize Mode. I'm going to slide this over a little bit. Go down on the Commands menu tab in the center there. Find the layer entry and click on it. Okay. Then go to the Toolbars tab and put a check in the box next to Context Menus. This is going to open up a new small toolbar which you may not notice unless you're watching on your screen. Keep this toolbar separate from the other Customize menu because you're going to need to be able to see both. Okay, I'm going back to my Commands tab. Then I'm going over to the Context menu, and it's below the screen here, but I'm hovering over the down triangle so that I can scroll down till I see the Feature Layer Context menu. I'll click on that, and then I go over into my Commands tab back in the Customize menu and scroll down until I see Open Attribute Table. I click on that, hold down the command, and place it. You see the black bar, so I have the option of placing it in several places. I'm going to click it there. Now it's been restored. I can just click everything closed, and now when I go and right-click on Attribute or right-click on the layer, I have the Open Attribute Table command back.